This is a picture based question that they have given you. You can see that in the image it is that of a mandible, and the patient's tongue has been elevated, and in this situation there is a bluish colored fluctuant or bluish colored swelling which is seen along the floor of the mouth after elevating the tongue. And if you can read the question, you can see that the swelling is soft, fluctuant and translucent. Translucent means it is able to pass light through it. So it is soft, fluctuating and translucent in nature. So this is going to be indicating only towards one particular lesion, and that is nothing but your ranula. A ranula is nothing but a mucocele which occurs along the floor of the mouth, and it can be, whereas a mucocele is a swelling of the salivary glands that is seen along the lower lip. When this same swelling is seen along the lower floor of the mouth or along the lower below, rather in the neck, then it forms what is called as a ranula. So what is the origin of these ranulas is, it is said that when you have trauma to any of your salivary glands, the ducts get traumatized, but the function of the salivary gland is not stopped. So as a result, there is going to be outpouring of saliva from that traumatized duct, and then eventually the saliva over there forms a soft fluctuant mass, and that is why it is going to form what is called as a ranula. Now, why is it not a hemangioma? Is hemangiomas are not translucent in nature, number one, and even if they are translucent in nature, they are pulsating. Okay, so this is one important point about hemangiomas. So since there is no mention about hemangiomas over here, it cannot, sorry, pulsations over here, it cannot be a hemangioma. A gingival cyst is going to purely occur or form only on the gingival aspect of the teeth, and it is going to be at the upper border. It would lead to some form of coverage of teeth, however, it is not going to be present along the floor of the mouth. Okay, mucocele is something like I told you, it is going to be present along the lower lip or the upper lip, but it is not going to be present along the floor of the mouth. Okay. Now, when the ranula is present above the hyoid bone, so the attachment of the mylohyoid muscle is very important for ranulas. If your uh, entire ranula which is there, it occurs above the mylohyoid muscle, that is above the hyoid bone, then it is forms what is called as your normal ranula. However, if the same ranula, it penetrates through the mylohyoid muscle and goes below the mylohyoid, it forms a swelling along the neck, and it will be present along the low border of the hyoid bone, and it is present in the neck. So such a swelling which is present in the neck and is present in the region of the hyoid bone is what is called as a plunging ranula. Okay. And the features are the same as your normal ranula. However, the translucency is very difficult to identify because the skin is very opaque, and as a result of that, we do not have the translucency as visible as what it is in the oral cavity.